Hey everyone! Some Disney toys here, and today I'm super excited to bring you Kinetic Sand Bakery Boutique. I can't wait to make a cake. Here's the back of the box. Alright, let's get started. First, we have some cupcake plates, some pink sand, blue sand, a bag of molds, some accessories for our boutique, a foldable table, the instructions, and the box is going to serve as our actual boutique. There's a few pieces we need to add to our boutique, like the sign. It goes up top like this. And here's our first shelf. We just bend it wherever there's a crease and slip it in here. Here's our second shelf. And now to build our table. Again, we just fold it wherever there's a crease, and then we'll tuck in the end here. And the top closes just like a normal box. Now that our boutique's all set up, we can start making our cakes. Let's take a closer look at our molds. Here we have an extruder, a cake stand, a cupcake mold, a mold for some of our toppings, a smaller cake mold, another extruder, this one's a heart shape, and here's our bigger cake mold. The top also has a mold for a diamond. Now let's check out some of our kinetic sand. We'll start with the blue one. We're gonna need to work the sand a little bit so it gets softer. Now we'll do the pink sand. Whoa, look at it go! I love playing with kinetic sand because it's really easy to mold and easy to clean up. This set only came with 2 colors, but we can mix the pink and the blue to make a new color. Do you guys know what color this is going to turn into? It's starting to blend together. We just made purple. Now we have 3 colors to play with. I think we should start with making a cupcake. I'll make the bottom blue, the middle pink, and the top purple. And now we just close our book mold and squeeze it tight. Nice! It turned out great! You might be wondering what the purple part is. Well, it's actually going to be our frosting once we give it a little twist. Here's our 3-colored cupcake. Now let's make a layer cake. We'll start off with some purple, and then blue, and some pink, and we'll end with some more purple. And ta-da! Here's our first layer cake. Let's make another one. This one's gonna be a little bit smaller. We'll start with pink, and then purple, and some blue, and a little bit more pink. Ooh, look at all those layers! Looks pretty tasty. And now we'll fill our topping mold. Awesome! Those turned out great! Now let's try the extruder. All we do is fill it with some kinetic sand. And then push. One perfectly made circle. Instead of using one color, I'm going to use 2 colors this time. This extruder is shaped like a heart. We'll fill it with some pink sand, and then push. It kind of looks like one of those Valentine heart candies. We'll make another one, except this time we'll go with purple. Let's also try out this diamond mold. And here we have a blue diamond. All right, everyone, I think it's time to decorate. We'll add a cherry on top of here, and then a heart in the middle. For our layer cake, we'll also add a heart. And what else? We'll go with a purple heart. And maybe we'll put the rose here. Now we'll decorate the top layer. I'm thinking some strawberries. And we can't forget about the candle. This would be an awesome birthday cake. If any of you have birthdays today, happy birthday! Here's your cake. Make a wish. Here's everything we made today. Well, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.